Hey developers! Today, we're diving into practical ways to align items horizontally in OutSystems. I'll compare the traditional column width method with the more modern column widget, and then share some practical tips using display flex that you can apply in almost any project. First, let's take a quick look at the two main methods for creating columns in OutSystems. 1. Column width. This method uses fixed fraction widths, like 4-call or 3-call. While it's straightforward, it offers limited responsive behavior and can be challenging to style consistently across different screen sizes. 2. Column widget. The column widget is based on Flexbox, which provides fine-grained control over how your columns behave responsively. You can decide exactly how your layout adjusts on different devices. Before we dive into practical tips, let's see how these two approaches look on a tablet and phone. On a tablet, the column width approach maintains its layout, but with smaller margins. The column widget, however, adjusts according to the responsive settings you've applied, allowing for more flexibility. On a phone, the column width layout often collapses into a single column, which might not always be desirable. The column widget allows you to control which columns break first, ensuring that the layout remains user-friendly. To summarize, while column width offers limited responsiveness, the column widget, with its Flexbox foundation, gives you more control and flexibility. Now, let's move on to some practical tips for aligning items horizontally using display flex. This approach is reliable and versatile, making it a great choice for most UI needs. 1. Title with icon. Use display flex to create a flex container. Apply align items baseline to ensure the text and icon are aligned along the baseline. Add justify content space between to push the items to opposite ends of the container. This setup is perfect for creating a clean professional UI with titles and icons. 2. Multiple items. Again, use display flex and align items baseline. Add gap S to create spacing between the items. Use flex 1 on the item you want to expand and fill the available space. This approach ensures that items are evenly distributed and that your layout looks balanced. 3. Flex wrap. Apply flex wrap to the container to allow items to wrap onto the next line when the screen size is too small. Combine this with flex 1 to maintain flexibility and adaptability across devices. This is a simple yet powerful way to ensure your layout remains responsive. The column widget isn't just for basic layouts. You can extend its functionality using Flexbox properties. 1. Customize column widget width. By setting Flex 2 for the first and second columns and Flex 1 for the third, you can create custom widths that better suit your content. 2. Reorder columns. Flexbox allows you to reorder columns based on screen size. For instance, you might want to display the third column first on mobile devices. By applying the order property, you can ensure the most important content is always visible first. These tips allow you to maximize the potential of the column widget, giving you both control and flexibility in your designs. In summary, while the traditional column width method is still around, using the column widget and Flexbox offers much more flexibility and control. These practical tips will help you create cleaner, more responsive layouts in OutSystems. Thanks for watching and happy coding!